we remove the pressures of all of the work requirements, that's going to change the pressures of socioeconomic requirements by default, because wages is part of the socioeconomic piece. And either we have to redefine the system as a whole or fill that in with something. The argument, which I mentioned earlier, as long as productivity is going up, you can print as much money as you want. Doesn't matter. And productivity will continuously go up the more robots that we're putting in. So now it'll be per capita GDP. The denominator is going to be productivity, and you're going to include robot productivity in there. But that's the thing, which gives less importance to the GDP. So then we can create another measurement of the value of our society. And we're hoping that that would be by measuring emotions, and not through surveys of government, but by actual measurement, using the tools that exist now to measure emotion. So I know that like temp and body heat, voice, tone of voice, there's a lot of ways you can tell which emotions you're revolving around. Heartbeat, a lot of vitals, and each emotion produces a different set of vitals. And you guys know that because some produce way more stress on your body than others, and that's all measurable. We set up our personal AIs to trigger positive emotion. We set up AI and robots to take over the productivity requirements of our socioeconomic system. And then we create a base level of providing. Yeah, we'll use the word providing rather than a right, because rights are completely in this paradigm. So we have to, redefine the word right into a providing so it's something that you wake up, no, it'll be. My argument always is always let the land be the steward. If we're not using land to create our things anymore, then the earth becomes the steward. So if we're making all of our things from asteroids in space, the only things we need to make here, in my opinion, are connection. And then everything else is just a matter of preference.